up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat or the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know. But no, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, got a picture connects, never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist.
This is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the Crystal Method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse, this dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard you with that stock.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryu, he's sick and he's spitting fire. And Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with Top, but a fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a the type women wanna be with, and rappers hope he gets 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, his is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of that comes out of this kid's throat.
He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He don't think it's a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth that doesn't stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best, dedicated to what they do and give 100%.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time, because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time, before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those other fellas he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. Yeah. Fort Minor, M. Shinoda, Styles of Beyond, Ryu, Talk Beer, Machine Shop.
I'ma show you how to do this, son. Hey, big things poppin', and little things stoppin'. Hey, big things poppin', and little things stoppin'. Hey, big things poppin', and little things stoppin'. Hey, ball on these suckers, shout it, it's not an option now. Do it what you wait for. Cause I'ma do it, do it what you wait for. Do it what you wait for. Do it. Now let me hear you say, big things poppin', and little things stoppin'. Hey, big things poppin', and little things stoppin'. Hey, big things poppin', and little things stoppin'. Hey, ball on these suckers, shout it, lose your option now. Do it to the maximum. Take it while you asking them. Don't listen to them sucker when they say you too irrational. I said I was king and them lanes started laughing them. Same sucker now, want the king on the track. I compose several classicals, you know, like Top Bad, dope boy, bring them out. And what you know about that? Now they ask high top, what you know about that? Dominated old sick, now I'm going right back. See me right here, let us show that like that. Either this hell say damn, I ain't know it like that. Yeah, still bankhead, you can tell. Ain't nothing changed but the name on the mail. I still kicking dough with them things in the air. Up in Benny Hunter, see me slang in them jail. We are slang, no such thing as a jail. Say you need 100 squares, it just came off the scale. Let's do it, do it what you wait for. Cause I'ma do it what you wait for. Do it what you wait for. Now let me hear you say, big things poppin', and little things stoppin'. Big things poppin'. slipping, how could that be? I'm something like a stalker, I be here with a strap, be the trap, be jumping with the $100 slab. If I want it, I could get 100 on the tail. Sell them all, double down, do the math. Think I won't pull up in something with 200 on the dash? I do it, do it what you wait for. Cause I do it, do it what you wait for. You know I do it what you wait for. You gotta do it, now let me hear you say big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Ball on these suckers, shout it, losers not enough in there. I do it like I wanna do it right in front of you. Real vision pimpin', I ain't seeing none of you. I do it for my partner, Phil, daughter, and his mama too. I do it for my oldest sons and their grandmama too. Do it for my daughters and my youngest son and mama who go by what she want because she know it ain't a problem too. You do something to them and then you I bring the drummer too. You do it for a day or so, we do it for a month or two. I do it for my partner, gon' make sure the fucking stunt too. We do it with them blockers, ain't no problem where you running to. We do it for the block, that's why ain't nobody stopping me. I do it for my pop and my cousin too, they watching me. I did it non-stop, now see how these rappers capping me. I made it from the bottom to the top, where I ought to be. Who do it did good and do it different. No matter what I do, you know I do it to death. Hey, I'ma do it, do it what you wait for. Cause I don't do it, do it what you wait for. You know we do it,
Formation behind bar. Second down. Ball is given to Rutherford. Rutherford breaking tackles. First down. Out to the 45.
Come on. Sicker than your average. Papa twist cabbage off instinct. Just don't think shit stink. Pink gators. My Detroit players. Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn. Dead right. If they head right, Biggie there. Air night. Papa been school since days of under rules. Never lose. Never choose to. Bruce Cruz who? Do something to us. Talk go through us. Girls want to us. Wanna do us. Screw us. Who us? Yeah, Papa and Pump. Close like Starsky and Hutch. Stick to clutch. Yeah, I squeeze 3 at your cherry M3. Bang every MC easily.
Take that.
Recently, frontin' ain't saying nothing, so I just speak my peace. Keep my peace. Cubans with the Jesus peace. With my peace. Packing, asking who want it. You got it, flaunt it. That Brooklyn bull, we on it.
Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. And I just love your flashy ways. I guess that's why they're broken, you're so fake. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. And I just love your flashy ways. I guess that's why they're broken, you're so fake.
I put O's and NY onto DKNY. Miami, DC, prefer Versace.
That's right.
All Philly hoes know it's Moschino. Every cutie with the booty for the coochie. Now who's the real dookie? Meaning who's really this? Ride dicks. Frank White push the 6 on the Lexus LX 4.5. Bulletproof glass tips if I want some ass. Gon' blast squeeze first. Ask questions last. That's how most of these so-called gangsters pass. At last. Rapping about blunts and broads. There's some bras, menage a trois, sex and expensive cars. I still leave you on the pavement. Condo paid for, no car payment. At my arraignment, note for the plaintiff. Your daughter's tied up in the Brooklyn basement. Face it, not guilty. That's how I stay true. Richer than richer, so you just come and get me.
Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. And I just love your flashy ways. I guess that's why they're broken, you're so fake. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. And I just love your flashy ways. I guess that's why they're broken, you're so fake.
I can fill you with real millionaire shit. That's cargo, my cargo, 160, swiftly. Wreck it by your new one. The crew run, your crew run. I know you sick of this name brand with flows, girl, say heat sweet like licorice. So get with it, it's easy. Girlfriend, here's a bitch. Call me round 10, come through, have sex on rugs, that's Persian. Come up to your job, hit you while you're working, for certain. Papa freaking, not speaking, leave their ass leaking like rapper demo. Tell them move, take their clothes off slowly. Kill them with the force like Kobe, dick black like Kobe, watch me roam like Romy. Lucky they don't own me, where to say, show me, homie.
Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. And I just love your flashy ways. I guess that's why they're broken, you're so fake. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. And I just love your flashy ways. I guess that's why they're broken, you're so fake. you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. I guess that's why they're broken, you're so fake. Baby, can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. I guess that's why they're broken, you're so fake. Biggie, can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. I guess that's why they're broken, you're so fake.
Yo, I ain't got no friends. Yeah, I'ma do this track. Westside, M.O.B., Bad Boy Killer. Hey, Fat Boy. First off, touch your chick in the click you claim. Westside, when we rock, I'm equipped with game. You claim to be a player, but I bust your wife. We bust on Bad Boys, brothers touch for life. Plus, Buffy tryna see me weak, hearts I rip. Biggie Smalls and Junior Mafia, some mark-ass tricks. We keep on coming while we gunning for your juice. Steady rushing while we busting at your fools. You know the rules. Lil Caesar, go ask your homie how I leave you. Cut your trick ass up, leave you in pieces. Now be deceased. Lil Kim, don't conversate with real G's. Quick to snatch your ugly ass off the streets. You need a weave. I let them suckers know it's on for life. Don't let the West Side ride the night. Bad boy murdered on wax and kill. Mess with me and get your caps peeled. You know, grab your Glocks when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Who shot me? But your punks didn't finish. Now you're about to feel the wrath of a menace. Sucker, I hit him up. Yeah, straight out on the Bad Boy camp. You know how we do it. Yeah. All my real homeboys in New York, keep thugging. All the rest of you busters, die slow.
Get out the way, yo, Hussein Fado. You know Biggie Smalls just got dropped. Little move past the mat, and let me hit him in his back. Frank White need to get spanked right for setting traps. Little accident murderer, and I ain't never heard of ya. Poisonous cats attack when I'm serving ya. Shank and spank your whole style when I gang. Guard your rank, cause I'ma slam that ass in the paint. Puffy wicked in the block that I'm running through, and I smoke your Junior Mafia in front of you. With the ready power, tucked in my gas under the Eddie Bauer. You clap petty sour, I push packages every hour, hit 'em up.
Grab your blocks when you see Tupac. Call the cops when you see Tupac. Who shot me? But your punks didn't finish. Now you're about to feel the wrath of a menace. Bust, I hit 'em up. Here's how we do it. Keep it real as penitentiary still. This ain't no freestyle battle. All you suckers getting killed with your mouths open. Trying to come up off of me, you in the clouds open. Smoke the dope, it's like a Sherman. Suckers think they learn to fly. Like they burn, little suckers, you deserve to die. Talk about you getting money, but it's funny to me. All you suckers living bummy while you messing with me. I'm a self-made millionaire. Thug living out of prison, pistols in the air. Biggie, remember when I used to let you sleep on the couch and beg a trick to let you sleep in the house? Now it's all about Versace. You copy my style, 5 shots couldn't drop me. I took it and smiled, now I'm back to set the record straight. With my AK, I'm still a thug that you love to hate. Little buster, I hit him up.
W-Jers with plenty murders occurs. No points and commas, we bring the drama to all you heard. Knuckle check this scenario. Little C's, I bring my enemies to their knees. Copy please in D-Genario. Big mama is your coked up and doped up. Get your little Junior Waffle click smoked up. Please tell me, is you stupid? I take money crashing and mash through Brooklyn. With my click loot, shooting and polluting your block. With 15 shot, cock clock to your knot. Outlaw, mafia click, moving up another notch. In your box, top spots, get mobbed to the drop. All your fake ass East Coast props, brainstorm the block.
You's a beat fighter, a pop style taker. I say it to your face, you ain't nothing but a faker. Smoke for the Alizé with a chaser. About to get murdered for the paper. Edie, I mean a person scene of the caper. Like a low, with Prodigy and a choker. Dope smoke, outlaws, we ain't no joke. Dog like cowards better be known. We approach it in the wild open gun smoking. No need for hoping it's a battle lost. I got them crossed as soon as the funk is popping off. I hit 'em up. Empty clips, set trip. You know what time it is. West Side, outlaw thug life till we die. California love, California thug. You know what time it is. Bad Boy Killer, Mob Deep Killer, Chino XL Killer. Much love to Smith & Wesson, Freddie Fox, Pudgy the Fat Bastard, Naughty by Nature, and all the real thugs out
who
there.
feel broke and who feel
Keep
rich,
it coming.
Outlaw immortal
West
will
Side.
never switch. Police
You know what time
informer,
it
the
is.
boy them a snitch.
All my real
If the thug
homeboys
life
in
get
Jersey.
buried in the ditch.
Get up.
You have own a better respect to Pop Daddy.
Outlaw.
Baby, yes I'm
Thug
proud
life.
to be black. Jealousy, someone don't act like me. Hanging pan the corner on a smoke puff
Outlaw.
strap.
Live it up and give it up,
And
nigga.
that's a fact. So say this and then
Yeah.
say that.
You know what time it
Own a
is.
better respect to back.
Love by few, hated by many.
Get a gunshot.
Gun toting automatic
Outlaw
minis.
will come and attack.
11s,
Radical
14s,
passion, we have talk like
whatever.
back. Jamaican passion, we love to have.
you're getting the signals from the sideline for the defensive call.
Second down and 6.
Shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment. Did you capture it? Just let it slip. Yo.
His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, loud. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. Choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. Daddies, he know he won't have it. He knows his whole back's to these ropes. It don't matter, he's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant. He knows when he goes back to this mobile home, that's when it's back to the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't go. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. The soul's escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A normal life is boring, but superstardom's close to postmortem. It only grows harder, homie grows hotter. He blows, it's all over. These hoes is all on him. Coast to coast shows, he's known as the Globetrotter. Lonely roads, God only knows he's grown farther from home. He's no father. He goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But hold your nose, cause here goes the cold water. These hoes don't want him no more. He's cold product. They moved on to the next mo who flows. He knows dove and sold nada. So the soap opera is told, it unfolds. I suppose it's old partner, but the beat goes on. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. No more games, I'ma change what you call rage. Tear this motherfucking roof off like 2 dogs' cage. I was playing in the beginning, the mood all changed. I've been chewed up and spit out and booed off stage, but I kept rhyming and stepped right in the next cipher. Best believe somebody's paying the Pied Piper. All the pain inside amplified by the fact that I can't get by with my 9 to 5, and I can't provide the right type of life for my family. Cause man, these goddamn food stamps don't buy diapers, and there's no movie, there's no Mackay Pfeiffer. This is my life and these times are so hard, and it's getting even harder trying to feed and water my seed. Plus, see the thought I caught it between being a father and a prima donna. Baby mama drama screaming on her too much for me to wanna stand one spot.
why you don't tie your towel to your belt.
HOP done did it again, Samoa. Now why don't y'all stand up to the standing ovation of your own kind, your own people, putting it down all over the world just for you and me.
We gotta show who we are to the world, my Samoa. We gotta go home. Rep the deal from east to the west, everybody throw it up. We gotta show who we are to the world, my Samoa. We gotta go home. Rep the deal from east to the west, everybody throw it up.
Check it, paramount you, paramount me. Might as well paramount to everybody that got no hating disease. So hard to go home, recollection to the throne. Don't be happy that you county trill, y'all know it's home. Procrastinator this and that, quit try to act. Just step inside the world and tell them that you're the best. Tradition no tell brag, flipping the humble swag. I love to see all the humbles united on the track.
Humble our boys, come on, turn on the light. Show the whole world what we feel inside. Come on, hurry up, and we got no time. I'll pull it all out, show you how to right. Together we have you will always be my home. Big more all down flesh and blood. For my and the warrior, show them no fear. We gotta show who we are to the world, my Samoa. We gotta go home. Rep the deal from east to the west, everybody throw it up, go. We gotta show who we are to the world, my Samoa. We gotta go home. Rep the deal from east to the west, everybody throw it up, go. Proud to be Samoa. I will be saying it wherever I go. I will step back to the top and rocking my Samoa over. I gotta show love. Hey, one love, one love. One love to all my Samoa. This is straight up from the Caribbean, y'all. HOB's bound to represent.
Wherever we go, wherever we be, forever in our hearts some more pride. It's way too deep, you feel me? It's just a matter of time. What good of self and lie? The future sometime. The world favoritism's a more lie. Respect the when we talk, walk, how we act, chest to chest, more love, and that's the fact. Gushy, look on gushy, fucking gushy, boy, the mama, Samoa, mama, ilan, woman, I'm a gama,
We gotta show who we are to the world, my Samoa. We gotta go home. Rep your view from east to the west, everybody throw it up, go. We gotta show who we are to the world, my Samoa. We gotta go home. Rep your view from east to the west, everybody throw it up, go.
Born and raised, got my head up high, tear it up and design, show that Samoan pride. We got the whole world to know who we be, representing Samoa out of Lauli East. It don't matter where you from, no matter where you at. I got your back like G.I. What you know about that? All my humbles in the world represent what you are. HOB rolling through the battlefield sword. Wala au wakula ukula kauka kwenye kupakasi ya yoka anga kama wema sasa wa isei kwese pako wake kali kali na romani ya chora mpaka sako iya kako kukula iso kata wana lama soka rumaka iske kukai kumaka unine na romani koleka uwe fight and fight.
We gotta show who we are to the world, my Samoa. We gotta go home. Rep the view from east to the west, everybody throw it up, go. We gotta show who we are to the world, my Samoa. We gotta go home. Rep the view from east to the west, everybody throw it up, go.
So remarkable, baby. So what did I told y'all from the beginning? Don't run and tell that. Cause this one is going out to all the Samoan people all over the world.
We gotta show who we are to the world, my Samoa. We gotta go home. Rep the view from east to the west, everybody throw it up, go. We gotta show who we are to the world, my Samoa. We gotta go home. Rep your view from east to the west, everybody throw it up, go.
By Junior foul by the 48.
DJ Khaled! Hey! Yeah! All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind. stop now. Keep your hands up, get them in the sky for the homies that ain't making it, my folks locked down. I never went nowhere, but they saying loot is back. Blame it on that contour, the hood call it Ludiac. And I'm on this foolish track, so I spit my foolish flow. My hands go up and down, like strippers' booties go. My verses still be serving, tight like a million virgins. Last time on a college remix, now I'm on the original version. Can't never count me out, y'all better count me in. Got 20 bank accounts, accountants count me in. Make millions every year, the South's champion. Cause all I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get it up. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Swerving in my low-low, head on the swivel, you know serving me's a no-no. Clean as a whistle as I pull out in my Rolls Royce. Yellow bone passenger, they see it, they say, oh boy. Tell Cali, back it up, my niggas call me loco. Down for armed trafficking, don't make me pull that fofo. Ask you what you laughing at, represent that mud life. Dirty money, bitch, you better get your mud right. We come together holding hands and holler hood life. We all strapping all black, it's like Bud Light. All we do is win. You riding or what? Cause we riding tonight. Now you riding with me cause you wasn't riding.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get it up. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Heat in the kitchen, hot on the stove, water getting boiled, dope being sold, Snoopy in the hoopty, system overload. I've been running this rap game since I was 20 years old. I hung with the worst of them, bust till I burst them up, floss them up, toss them up, harder work, close them up. Pardon me, I'm bossing up, brace you up, bless you, bro, don't mess with us. We like the U in the 80s, back to back, set a track, hit the lick, get it back, get the trick, jump the track, bitch, I want my money back, time and time again while I'm sitting.